Hi students, I received several queries regarding Moodle, so I just want to clarify certain issues. Maybe they will help many of you. Remember, when you have installed Moodle on your desktop or your laptop, in the folder where you installed Moodle, when you open it, you will see this kind of information. And then for you to open Moodle, you are going to click on Start Moodle. You double click and then you will see this black screen. And after double clicking, you go to Google Chrome and then you type localhost. Some of you, they do inverted commas. Please don't do the inverted commas. On the page that I was giving you instructions, I just wanted to emphasize that you type localhost. So some of you, because I put it in inverted commas, you put those inverted commas. Make sure that you do not put inverted commas. You just type it as localhost. Then the window that you are going to see, it won't be the same as mine here, because this one, I already created a course, which you see here. If you didn't create a course, so you won't see anything, meaning you are just going to see local Moodle site and available courses. I believe all of you who have managed to install Moodle, you already created login details for yourselves. Then you need to log in. You click on the login. These are my logins, and then I'm going to log in. Then I log into my Moodle site. So this is what you also need to do. One of you during the day today phoned me saying that he does not know how to add activities because he was on the screen of dashboard. This is a dashboard. So you need to look at this menu here. We've got dashboard, we've got site home, calendar, private files, content, bank, and site administration. So here is the dashboard. Your dashboard could not be populated yet because, for example, here it says recently accessed courses. You didn't create any courses yet on your Moodle site. Remember, Moodle is like your school. Then you can create as many courses as you want. Suppose you are teaching 2 or 3 subjects, you can create them as courses on Moodle, and you'll find that your Moodle site have got 3 or 4 or even 2 courses, or it can have only 1. So this dashboard will only be populated when you already have information in your Moodle site. So when you are here, when you want to see how you add activities, you need to click on Site Home. So some of you, when you created your Moodle, I'm sure it asked you to give you your Moodle site name, and you were supposed to give the name of the subject which you selected or which you are teaching. I said to you, if you are teaching 3 or more subjects or 2 or more subjects, just select one subject. And then if you did not name your course yet, you see here there's a setting icon. You are going to click the drop down arrow here and then you turn editing on. You click on turn editing on and then you scroll a bit. You will see where it says add a new course. So you are going to add a new course because you didn't add it yet. If you didn't, then you click on add a new course and then you will get this menu. Firstly, you need to write your course full name. Remember, the full name of the course, it should be your subject. If you are teaching, for example, engineering, science, or you are teaching mathematics, or you are teaching motor mechanic, whatever, you need to write the name of your course. So suppose your name of your course is engineering sciences. I'm just giving an example. Then if you are teaching engineering sciences and is the course that you want to turn online, and then you create a short course name for yourself. We can call this one EGN1. This is the short name that we are creating for our course. And then when you see these red icons, you need to know that you are forced to write something in the block. But where you do not see any red button, you are not compelled. You can leave it for later. And then when you want to understand when they say course category, for example, click on where there is a question mark, and then information will pop up to explain to you. Like here, it will explain to you what is it required for you on that box. So things like course visibility, you want it to show course start date, end date. I request you not to complete this information yet, because your courses are not yet to be started. And also the course ID number, you will have the course ID number maybe when you are finalizing your course, but in the meantime, do not write anything. And then here, course summary. This is where you need to summarize your course. You need to tell students who are going to register for the course to say, what is this course all about? This is an engineering science. You can type there, this is an engineering science. Maybe this is a basic engineering science course. And then you explain the basic of it. How is it a basic? And then maybe you can even tell your students about the prerequisites to say, and then you need to have passed, maybe you need to have passed, I'm just giving an example, you need to have passed a grade 10 or you can register for this course. I'm just giving example, remember? So you know the prerequisites of your own course. And I want to tell you, colleagues or my students, that I get surprised to even find some of you telling me that they didn't know the prerequisite of this course you are doing. Before you register for any course, obviously, you'll be told about the requirements and the prerequisites of the course. Then here it says course image. You can have the image of your course. Maybe you can go to the internet and Google engineering and then find a nice picture that will suit your engineering science course. But if you don't want to put a picture, there is no problem. And also, this kind of information, please play around, open each tab here and check what it needs. But for now, you are not forced to write any information as yet. So for you now was to just create that page of your course. And then we are going to save, and then we return back to the course site. Because here I just want to show you quickly how you will see how you can add some activities to your course site. So you can see now I do have 2 courses, because this one I created already before, and then this one I just created. Then when you click on your course, that's when you're going to get this page. These are going to be the topics of your course. You know, maybe the first topic can be Introduction to Engineering Science. And this is where now you are going to take the plan that you did as one of the activities, and you are going to also take your storyboard, and then you're going to make sure that the information from your plan and from your storyboard is going to come here. So you see here you can add your announcements, and then you can add your topic and everything. As long as you see this little pencil here, it shows you are on edit mode, so you can be able to edit. Then adding an activity, you go here, add activity or resource, and that is where you will see the menu. This is the menu. you were asking me about pictures. It's not really pictures. This is the menu. Yes, the menu have got icons. Then it is up to you to say, now I want to add an assignment. I want to add a book. I want to add a chart. I want to add a choice, a database, external tool, and so forth. So these are different activities and resources that you need to choose from. For now, I don't want you to get too much involved into this. I just want you to understand what is it that you are going to find. What type of activities are you going to give your students in Moodle? You have quizzes, you've got a lesson where you can create your lessons, you've got surveys. So I just want you to have an idea for now. We're still going to come to a point where I'm going to say to you, go and add a forum, or go and add a chart, or go and add an assignment. So for now, you're not adding anything on this side. I just want you to be able to create up to here, where you have your subject and then you having this page, and we are going to complete this page as time goes on. We are going to have, and here you're going to include the real topics that you are teaching currently to your students. Something that I want you to remember is that once you complete working on Moodle, you shouldn't let it idle. You need to make sure that you switch it off. So I am going to switch off my Moodle because I'm done. And then what you do, you go back to the beginning where you started. You double click on Stop Moodle. And then you wait up until you see this window where it is going to inform you when the Moodle has stopped. You don't hurry to close until it says to you, press any key to continue. Then when you press any key, it means you have stopped the Moodle. I hope this little video will assist most of you. Thank you.